All right, so are you a city slicker? You like to live in town where all the action is? Or are you more of that country lifestyle? A little bit out on the fringes of town, a little bit more rural? Well, today I'm going to share with you about the latter. We're going to talk about what it's like to live in the rural areas of the Metro Phoenix area. And I'm actually up here in an unincorporated area right adjacent to North Scottsdale called Rio Verde Foothills. I'm going to kind of take you around. I'm going to show you some incredible mountain views that you have up here, some different lifestyle choices. I'm going to take you through a brand new home. If you like new construction but you like acreage, I'm going to show you what a floor plan looks like, kind of show you around the neighborhood a little bit, and then stick around to the very end because I've got a special treat for you, something that you don't get to see every day. And with that being said, we're getting after it right now. Hey, this is Rick with the Phoenix Arizona Living Team, and if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about Phoenix area real estate, then be sure and subscribe below, and don't forget to tap that bell for notification. That way you'll be the first to know about our current real estate market. You know, we get calls, text messages, and emails from people every single day looking to make a move or transitioning here to the Metro Phoenix area, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to make a move maybe in 30 days, 60 days, or even 6 months from now, go ahead, reach out to us. You can give us a call, you can shoot us a text, you can email us, you can hop on a Zoom call. All of our contact information is listed below. We'd be more than happy to help you make that smooth move to Phoenix. All right, so as I mentioned, I'm out here in Rio Verde Foothills. I got the amazing mountain range in front of me that's known for its iconic symbol, Four Peaks. You've probably heard me talk about it on previous videos, but that's what's one of the neat things about this setting out here. It's just your incredible mountains that you have to the east of us here. You've got Granite Mountain, which is behind me here. It's another iconic symbol out here. But what prompted me to do this video is I've actually had a couple of clients here recently that want to live out here. One grew up in the city and she wanted to get out of town and just kind of go find some acreage. Another one had recently moved here from Phoenix from out of state, kind of grew up in the country life, wanted to live out here as well. So I've been showing some properties and I said, you know what, a lot's changed over here in the last few months. And there was a water issue out here back in the beginning of the year. I did a whole separate video on that. You can go on the channel and you can check that out. But basically the city of Scottsdale turned the water off out here because there's about 2,000 or 2,200 homes out in this area of Rio Verde Foothills, and about 500 of them have hauled water. So the city had a standpipe about 15 or 20 minutes from here, and the water hauling companies could go to that standpipe, fill up their trucks, come out and make deliveries. And then the beginning of the year, the mayor shut the water off, said, hey, we've got a major drought going on. Well, that created panic with those people that are on hauled water, because all of a sudden they're starting to ration their water and try and extend their water usage out. And what it was forcing the water companies to do is to drive to furthest jurisdictions across town that could supply the water, and as a result, it drove up water prices substantially out here. And of course, this made national news. And then the government officials got involved, the governor got involved, state officials. They have since kind of resolved that issue on a temporary basis, but I believe moving forward it's all going to get resolved and things will be back to normal. But in spite of all of that, it's been a very popular area for people to live out here. There's a handful of small little builders out here that are building some beautiful homes out here, maybe 3, 4, 5 at a time, some on wells, some not on wells. And that's one of the homes I'm going to go show you today. I'm going to show you this one builder that builds a very nice home, so you can kind of get a feel, hey, maybe you want new construction. And the great thing about this area out here is everything is on at least an acre. So you know, in this little foothills area here, you're going to get an acre plus a property, and hey, it gives you some room. And if you want to put a pool in, you can, and that's your choice. Some people here have horses, some do not. So it kind of gives you a variation of lifestyle choices, different elevations, different types of homes are out here. But it's just, people like to come out here because they just want to get away from the city. Now, you're not that far removed from the city. I mean, you don't have the conveniences of a grocery store and some of the shopping areas that are close by. You're going to have to go probably 20 or 30 minutes to find those. Although they are looking to possibly build a grocery store with some retail shops here coming up here pretty soon. I know they're in the midst of having negotiations on that, so we'll see how that all plays out. But you know, people they like to get out of the city and they just like to come here. You know, my sister-in-law and her husband live up here, for example. I found a ranch property for them out here on a couple of acres. They love their horses. She's always wanted to have horses on her own property. Prior to this home here, it was at another location and she'd have to go take care of her horses, but that's just been her passion of hers. Anyways, found them a beautiful little 2-acre property here in Rio Verde Foothills with a round pen, an arena, stalls. So she's got her 5 horses and they call it their little ranch, and they absolutely love it out here. And as a result, my wife and I have been coming out here more and more because she wants to come out and see her sister. And, you know, we've been out here in the past, but not like we have in the last 2.5 years because of them living out here. We've even asked ourselves, could we see ourselves living here? We live in North Scottsdale. And that's a possibility. You know, we'll see what the future holds, but, you know, I do like it out here. And especially more recently, helping clients out here. There really are some amazing benefits to living out here. There's no HOA out here, so you don't have to worry about that. But it just really has some unique lifestyle options for you out here. Price ranges are going to start in the upper 5s for property out here, and that's going to be on a hauled water situation. And most of your hauled water homes that are available, those are going to run into the 6s, maybe mid to upper 6s. Then you start getting into, you know, properties that have a well. So it really depends. A lot of people out here are looking for wells, just kind of give them peace of mind. Others are on hauled water, it doesn't seem to bother them. But, you know, if you want to get in a well situation, you're probably going to start in the upper 6s going into the 7s and beyond that. We've got some multi-million-dollar homes out here for sale, but it's just some beautiful homes, great setting out here. There are a few paved roads out here. Most of it out here is all dirt roads. So you see a lot of trucks and quads and motorcycles and stuff in and around this area, but people just like to come out here and relax. I know my sister-in-law and her husband, they enjoy sitting out on their patio. They got the incredible mountain range to the east of their property, get some amazing sunrises. Even when the sun sets to the west behind them, just the whole color hues of that mountain range in front of them is just beautiful. So it's very peaceful, it's very calming out here. And if you like that lifestyle, you might enjoy it out here. So that's a little bit about this area here. There is a master plan community just east of here called Trilogy at Verde River. I did a whole video on that. So if you want that type of lifestyle, you can go watch that video and learn more about that. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to kind of show you around. I'm going to take you over and I'll take you through that home just so you can kind of see what a newly constructed home looks like. And then we'll go ahead and wrap it up. Okay, so I'm out in front of one of their homes that they're selling here. This particular home is listed for $700,000. Happens to be on a well. It's just about 2,300 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom plus a den, 2-bath home. Has a 4-car garage. There again, this home's just over an acre. Kind of give you an idea of the size and the land that you get around it. So let me take you inside and show what it looks like. All right, I asked you to stick around because I had something special I wanted to show you at the end. And what's great about living in the county, you got some flexibility and freedom to do what you want to do. You're not governed by an HOA, and you know, you're allowed to have different things on your property, and you never know what you're going to see, especially when you drive by and you happen to look in your neighbor's yard. So when you're out walking around, you get to see one of these little guys. Look at him, you're going to be famous. You want to be on YouTube? Yes. How often do you get to see a zebra, huh? You don't even have to go to the plains of Africa. You don't have to go to the zoo. You just walk down the street in the county, and lo and behold, in your neighbor, they've got a pet zebra. That's just too cool. Anyways, that's the one thing I wanted to show you at the end. I remember the first time I drove by here, I was just so surprised to see one. But anyways, very friendly, likes to come out and say hi, get to scratches. And that's what I wanted to show you. All right, that's gonna go ahead and take care of this video here in Rio Verde, right on the north side of Scottsdale. Let me know what you think. Did you like the video? Give me a big thumbs up, I hope you did. And share any thoughts or comments you have down below. How do you see yourself? Do you like to be in the city, or do you prefer to be out in the country like we are here today? So anyways, hope you liked seeing the zebra. I thought that was pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed the home that I took you through, and show you some of the footage here in and around this area of Rio Verde. Great place to live, especially if you enjoy being, you know, in the outskirts of town, kind of get away from all the hustle and bustle of traffic and everything, and just get away and just enjoy a peaceful lifestyle out here in this part of North Scottsdale. But anyways, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel and tap that bell for notification. And we've got these videos coming out every week. Would love to share them with you. So as always, we appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. If we can ever help you in any way with any of your real estate needs, just reach out to us, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us. You can hop on a Zoom call. We can talk that way as well. All of the information is listed down below, and we'd love to help you with any of your real estate needs, whether you're looking to buy, sell, maybe you're looking for an investment property. So again, thanks so much for your time, and until we see each other again, thanks for watching, and we hope to show you around town. Bye now. There he is. Say goodbye.